Hello there, welcome to Genessis Models. My name is Bobby Waldron, and here in this video we have got another vlog, and this vlog is all about the group build. This is sort of like specifically for the just ended Diorama group build and announcing the winners of that and who is going to be walking home with some trophies as well as their name on the Top Gun trophy. So the Diorama group build was all about doing dioramas, absolutely anything, warships, any scale, aircraft, tanks, absolutely anything. It just needed to be something that was diorama based. Now, after looking at all your work, and as always, it's always a pleasure to look through them. Fantastic photography work, fantastic modeling, really nice level of diorama work going on there, but sadly, you know, I can only pick so many as the winner. So the first one, which is for third place, was a really nice one. I really did actually really like this diorama. It was by Timbo. Timbo, congratulations for winning third place. Really did love that scene of a dog fight. The 5 o'clock high, he named it. The dog fight looked absolutely amazing. The photography as well, I was really impressed with the photography of that, the way it sort of captured it and give you that real sort of real feel to that diorama. So that was a real cracking one there by Timbo. And then we have second place. Second place, I really like the look of this one. You could really see a lot of detail go in this because with dioramas, I mean, I know with a lot of modeling, really, it's all about the detail, but you know, the detail that went in this was really sort of fantastic. So to announce second place, it's going to be going to Ted USA. So big congratulations to you, Ted USA. You did an absolute cracker there with the Batmobile. You really took the Batmobile and you took a different spin on it. You basically put it in a junkyard, really sort of rusty. You got the engine out and chains all over it. But I really sort of liked, if you looked inside the Batmobile compartment, you could see like plants growing and all sorts of bits and bobs, bits of exhausts outside, and the rust was a really sort of really nice detail to the whole Batmobile as well, which really made it a nice sort of centerpiece. And I really did like the little Joker bit of graffiti on the I forgot, bonnet, that's what it's called, on the bonnet. Really good work there. Congratulations again, which then brings us to who is first place, or should we say Top Gun, for the 2018 Diorama group build here at Genessis Models, which you probably may have guessed it, goes to Remai. I think I pronounced that right, Remai. You did a really nice piece there, nice World War II. You got the whole Jeep going on, the wall section. I like the little sign as well, but you know, if you sort of look close enough, you can sort of see the weathering going on there, the mud, the grass, absolutely everything about it really had a nice diorama feel to it, and even like the soldiers also in the Jeep and everything well painted there also. So that has been an amazing sort of group build that I've seen, and you know, I really enjoyed it, and it was nice to really sort of look at it. Sorry for all you guys who didn't manage to finish, but I do want to still see all that work. I mean, we all still want to see it. I mean, you might not have finished it in time for the group end date, but it's still going to be nice for you guys to go off and still finish it. I mean, the thread's still open for you to carry on. You can post your final reveals in there still, doesn't matter. We still want to see them. So big congratulations to all you guys. All I need to do is, you know, get my email, send me your mail address, and I'll ship out your trophies free of charge. Please make sure you do the correct address, because I know last time we had some sent back to us, but you know, get me your mail address and I'll ship them out to you. Which just to finish on a last note, with the end of a group build comes a new group build. You guys voted for a 1/72nd scale group build. This is the first group build of 2019. It's already started. It's only really just started. You've still got like five and a half months left still to work on it. I did have the end date. The end date is the 30th of June 2019, so you've still got plenty of time to sort of get in on this. And it's 1/72nd scale. It's not going to be a big build. You know, 1/72nd scale. I mean, I'm working on this now in the live sessions that we've been doing every Friday at 6 o'clock. I've been working on my MiG 15 just here, 1/72nd scale by Edar, just to throw in my little 1/72nd. But as I say, 1/72nd scale is, you know, quite a small piece. It's not going to take you too long. You know, just throw in your builds, throw in your final reveals. In basically 5.5 months time, I'll announce the winners for that and send out trophies for that also. So hopefully you're going to be in on the new group build. Hopefully you've just liked the old Diorama group build. I will leave you with some nice final reveal photos of all that fantastic work that's been done for the Diorama group build, and hopefully I'll see you in the new group build with the 1/72nd scale. So until next time, my name is Bob Waldron, this is Genessis Models, and I hope you've enjoyed.